So we found a new brand of cat food, at least new to us. This is the first time we ever have seen it. We found it at Walmart, and I picked up 3 different flavors I thought they might enjoy. This one is tuna fillet with crab and broth. This one is ocean fish recipe and gravy. And this one is tuna fillet with mackerel recipe and broth. This one's a pate, this is a gravy, and this is a broth. I'm not sure how the broth is different from the gravy, but we will see. So that's what it looks like on the can. So let's see, crack these open and see what they think. I suppose we'll start with this one first, the tuna fillet with crab. They are most certainly, all 3 of them are ready to try it. They're used to their canned food every morning and evening, so. Alright, so I did crack this open, the tuna fillet with crab and in the broth, and I see what they mean now. It's more liquidy. So let's go ahead and see what they think. This is how it looks when you crack it open, how much you get in a can, what you can kind of expect. So here's how it looks, evenly dispersed between the 3 dishes, and set it down and see what they think. She loves it, but this is our cat that eats absolutely anything. Gizzy absolutely loves it. The only one that doesn't is Flower, apparently. So, I don't know. My cat, Gizzy, is the picky one of the bunch. Flower can be kind of picky too, so 2 out of 3 like it, I guess. And today they will be trying the ocean fish recipe and gravy. So, yesterday they, 2 out of 3. Let's see if they enjoy, maybe all of them will love the ocean fish recipe. Let's find out. So, when you crack the can, this is what it looks like. Honestly, I'm not really sure the difference between the gravy and the broth. To me, they look exactly the same. So that is what this one looks like on the inside in gravy. Yesterday's was in broth. I think they look the same personally, but I'm not sure the difference. Maybe this one doesn't seem any thicker. Alright, we have them all evenly plated. Now let's see what they think. So this one of course loves it. I haven't met a cat food she doesn't love. And as you can see, neither one of them will touch this one. So, I don't know. I guess 1 out of 3 likes this one. I really thought they might, because the liquidiness. So, he's hoping she got something different in her dish. When he does that pretend to dig thing, that means he's not a fan. You can't bury it, buddy. Alright, so this one, yeah, cats might not like it. Ours don't. Now, last but not least of the flavors that I picked for them, this one is tuna fillet with mackerel recipe and broth. And I saved the best for last because they usually like pate the best. So let's see how they like this one and if I guessed right. So this is what it looks like opened. Here it is, evenly plated. Let's see what they think. So Gizmo likes this one. Flower does not, yet again. Flower does not like 3 out of 3. I guess she's not a fan of the reveals at all. But Gizzy, he does like this one. So this is the second one he likes. So 2 out of 3 reveals he enjoys, and that one likes none. So there it is. Fluffy. She seems to like it, so 3 out of 3. She is a fan. Big surprise.